Hello guys, good to see you back. Again, I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript DOM. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn JavaScript DOM append methods. Basically, in JavaScript, we have total two append methods, appendChild and insertBefore. So let's see what can we do with that. In our previous tutorials, we learned how we can add HTML element in HTML page using JavaScript. For that, we use createElement method. And also we learn how we can add text in HTML page using JavaScript with the help of createText node. Now the question is how we can join this text with this element. I want to move this text inside this paragraph. How we can attach it with an element. For that, JavaScript introduced a special method which is appendChild. Using this method, we can add text with an element. Not only that, using this method, also we can attach this element with another element. So let's start the practical and see how we can use it. As you can see, side by side I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using Live Server extension, and I already create an HTML document named index.html, and also I link a JavaScript file named main.js. Here you can see we create a div element and I also style this div element. We set height, width, padding and margin. And if I show you my main.js file, as you can see, we already create an element using heading to tag. With that, we also create text node, hello world. And if I show you my console, as you can see, we have heading to tag and the text node, hello world. And now we need to attach this text with this element. So we need to append this text node in this element. For that, we need to use appendChild method. So here I'm going to type the variable name which is new element. New element. And in this new element, I want to append the text node. So I'm going to type dot appendChild. AppendChild. Inside the round braces, we need to pass the variable name which I want to append. And I want to append new text. So I copy the variable name and I'm going to paste it here. And so I'm going to end this line. If I save this file and show you my console, as you can see, it append the text node in our new element section, which is heading 2. So we successfully append the text inside the heading 2. And now I want to show the heading 2 inside this div element. For that, again I'm going to use appendChild method. Inside this blank div, I'm going to append the element. If I show you my index.html file, as you can see, there is a div with ID named test. And I'm going to copy this ID name. So let's back to the main.js file. And here I'm going to type, after appendChild method with new element, I'm going to type document dot get element by ID. Inside the round braces, we need to pass the ID name, which is test. Then I'm going to use the method appendChild. AppendChild. Then inside the round braces, here I want to append the new element. So I copy the variable name new element and I'm going to paste inside the round braces. And so we're going to end this line. After save this file, you can see in my browser, it print hello world. It append the element in our div container. If I inspect this section, as you can see, inside this div, we have an element h2 and it's print hello world. But if I show you my index.html file, as you can see, there is no element named h2. Also, there is no text hello world. So as you can see, how we can use append method function two times. First we append this text in this element. Then we append this element in this div element. So this is how we can create text node otherwise element and we can attach it with existing element. And remember, this appendChild method always add the element otherwise text node end of the parent node. Let me show you. So here I'm going to add some paragraph. So I'm going to use p tag paragraph and here I'm going to type some text. Lorem 10. It's going to add 10 word of sentence. After save this file, as you can see, here you can see after end of this paragraph, it add the h2 element. So remember, appendChild method always add the element at the last position. And if you want to add this element before the paragraph, for that we have another method which is insertBefore. Now I want to move this heading before the paragraph. Let me show you how we can use it. So I'm going to duplicate this line and comment out previous one. And here I'm going to type insertBefore. Insert before. Then inside the round braces, we need to pass total 2 parameters. First, in our first parameter, we need to pass the element name, which element I want to append in our div. And I want to append this element, new element. So I copy the element name and I'm going to paste it here, comma. Now we need to pass the position where I want to append this element. But before I pass the second parameter, I'm going to create the target of this parent element. So here I'm going to type document dot get element by id inside the round braces test, and I'm going to assign this target in a variable. So I'm going to type var, and our variable name is target equal to this location. And now I'm going to replace this selector with this variable target. So I'm going to type target dot insert before inside the round braces new element. And now in our second parameter, I'm going to type target dot child nodes, and I'm going to specify the position. So inside the square braces, I'm going to type 0. It's mean I want to put this new element before the 0 index. So if I save this file, now you can see in my div, it moved the new element before the paragraph. And if I show you my element section, as you can see, first it print new element, then our paragraph. So this is how we can use insert before method. So I hope now it's clear for you how we can use appendChild method and insert before method. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.